Okay, here I am doing. Hey everybody, what's happened is, sorry, I'll just go like this for now. I put the camera down this low so that you can see what's going on here. I mean, who wants to look at me? This is all about the acrylic pour on the skateboard. Okay, what's a little bit about me? I understand. Okay, these are left over from the acrylic pour today, and I'm gonna put them all into here. I just primed this. It's not quite dry. I think that'll leak out of there, but ooh, whoops, that's funny. It's okay. I don't know if I should wait for this to dry. What do you think? Oh, maybe I'll hit it with a heat gun. That means I'd have to edit this. I thought I was prepared. Whatever. I'm just gonna put everything into here. I'm gonna save a bit of the white for the to put it around the edge of where the pour is gonna be. It's all right. Whoops. There's gonna be lots of extra paint. As you can see, I put it on my canvas on my table instead of using plastic and throwing that plastic away, which I have seen some art teachers do, and hopefully they'll see this and go, hey, great idea with the canvas. And then people buy the canvas. You're missing out on the opportunity there. This is going to be tons. I know I already said that. This is going to be so awesome. Like totes. Usually I use a full cup almost for a 16 by 20 canvas. Now, I've propped it up here and I'm wondering if that's a bad idea because it really should be more stable. I just kind of wanted to elevate it so it runs off. Like if it's on the ground, what else could I use to stabilize it? See how it's kind of wobbly? Wonder if I'm gonna care about that like after it's all stabilized. What do you think? I think we should just go for it, because what do you got to lose? It's gonna turn out good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread some, yeah, this is a good idea. I'm gonna dry that first. Sorry, this video is a gong show. I'm just getting the dryer, and I'm not gonna edit it. This is just the way it is. Who cares? There's no expectations in 2020. Just do what you need to do. So I'm just gonna dry that. Talk amongst yourselves. It won't be long. I'll be right back. You're okay. I came back. I put these cloths under here to, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it, just like the rest of you. Okay, gotta find the happy medium here where it's gonna be level. Okay, I'm gonna get a paintbrush to paint that on there because I think it'll be easier. Rinse this one out, there we go. I won't put it in the middle, or maybe I'll cover the whole thing. I don't know what I'm doing. Whoop. There we go. because you know why? Because I put the silicone, oh, that always happens to me. Well, not always, you know what I mean. I put the silicone in the white, so I'm afraid that it's gonna, I don't know what's gonna happen here. I'm a little bit afraid. I can always sand it off, whatevs. It's just an experiment. Just relax. I'll clean that out later. I don't know if I should pour it on or do a dirty cup. I'll just do this. Yeah, you just gotta go for it in life, hey? Had no idea I would do this swirl technique, but it seems to be working for me. What do you think? Thinking about these cloths I got here and how I'm going to get them all. Didn't plan that one through 100%. There we go. Oh, it's getting all over the place anyways. Oh, for fiddlesticks. Okay, I want it to come over here. And then I'm going to get it over here. I'm just going to ease it over here like this. Because the rest of that's got to go down here. Sorry if you can't see that. You're missing out on all the good stuff. I'm just going to help it out a little bit here. And then I'm going to go to the other side. Alrighty, there she goes. There she goes. Cool. I gotta go clean up, so I'm gonna take this glove off and turn this video off, and there you go.